far. Walk towards it.
What's up and welcome back to the Crossroads Kids YouTube channel. My name is Jacquelyn.
And I'm Emma.
And we are bringing you our boredom buster for today. We're gonna continue playing Minecraft. Before we get to playing Minecraft, we're gonna talk about this week's theme. We're continuing the theme of endurance, but we have a brand new verse. Read it here with us. It's Romans 12:12. It says, "Be joyful in hope, be patient in affliction, and faithful in prayer." And what this really means is that we can be joyful and be happy knowing that we have hope in Jesus, but we should also be patient when we're going through some really tough things. Being patient with our parents, being patient with our siblings when they're having a hard time, and we should always be constant and faithful in prayer. Be sure to write down this verse somewhere in your journal or highlight it in your Bible and be thinking about that verse this week. Now, to play some Minecraft, we've got the computer here. Emma, what am I gonna do today?
All right, the challenge today is to build a house. One room house, very simple, very basic. But just so you could adjust to the controls a little bit more, we're gonna put the difficulty on easy for now.
All right, okay, making a new world.
So you can leave it on survival, but change the difficulty until it goes to easy. There you go. And now just create it.
Boom. Okay, I remember W is walk, spacebar is jump, and I have to do it at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, I know to get to a high place early on in the game. Okay, so is this a good place to make a house?
I think this is a perfect place. It's a nice open area so you can see around you.
Oh, but I have to mine some wood, don't I?
Yeah, so you can get some wood, but you only need like a couple of blocks before, not a couple, but get like a whole tree, and then you can make like an axe to help to make it faster. Okay.
Press E.
Yeah, press E, and then you're gonna grab.
This is my guy?
Yeah, that's my brother's character. Like a wooden sword. Oh, he just threw it out.
Am I not supposed to do that?
He threw it out. You can just right click on the ground so you can place it. So put that
back to the
back to the crafting.
I hit it.
Don't hit it. So there you go. Wooden axe. Yeah, you can just place it.
Oh,
and I'll give
there.
it to you
Okay,
because
that's easy.
You can use your axe and it'll be faster.
All right, here we go.
But if you want it to be even faster,
yes.
you're gonna want cobblestone axe, not a wooden axe. She's getting a lot.
Just dig a huge hole to the center of the earth.
Then you will not be able to get out because you can't jump over two things.
Can I get that?
You're gonna want to
go night so fast.
You're gonna want to go a little bit faster.
I thought we were supposed to have made a house by now.
Even though we're on easy, there's still monsters. What?
Oh, I thought that was something. Okay, what do I do now? I still have to mine a bunch of stuff.
Hurry then, there's a zombie right there. You gotta be careful. He's coming for you.
Oh my God.
He's coming for you. You gotta fight him. Don't run away. Fight him.
No.
There's your sword. You gotta hit him.
Run faster, Jacquelyn.
Well, you should probably turn around to see if there's anything chasing you. Look, there's nothing. He wasn't even chasing you. Okay.
And build my house.
Okay.
Do I have
with what? Then you have 17 planks and 12 cobblestone.
That's all I need.
Okay, go ahead, try. Are you gonna make one?
How do you pick that one up?
Hurry! Why are you so far? Walk towards it. You missed a hole. You have to
It's too small. This house is too small for me.
And then you can right click, and you can jump on it. Jump. And then you can place over it. What are you looking at? There's one over you already. And then another one. Nope, that was in the wrong spot. Okay.
I'm gonna put it here so I
There
can't
is
get out.
you made an axe for a reason, and then that bar shows how much you've used it, so that means you just made. There's her house, guys.
Look at that, guys.
What's the stuff on the top? You should go out. Look, there's a creeper over there. You should try and kill that creeper. Go towards him. It's okay, he doesn't even see you right now. The creepers won't really run. There's a skeleton coming for you. And they have arrows.
There's one over there.
Hurry, the guy's gonna follow you. You're gonna start swimming. You have to stay afloat. You're falling, bro. You need to go back to,
Hi, Dad.
You guys done?
No! Okay. There's a baby zombie. He's coming for you. You have to run. He's coming for you, Ate.
He's swimming.
He's coming for
Why is he
you.
looking?
Oh, it's turning daytime. You might be safe. Hurry, he's following you. Go. Move, look where you're going. Look where you're going.
It's right there.
Where's the zombie? It killed us. There. She couldn't do it, guys.
At least I didn't die today. We're gonna try again next Monday. Tune in next week for more Boredom Busters and Littles Live videos. And don't forget, we are talking about a food pantry challenge between boys and girls. There's gonna be so much information about it on our Instagram and Facebook, so ask your parents to visit those social media sites to find out more information. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!